Hi, I'm Matt Hastings with Keller Williams Realty, and this is your June market update for the DFW market. Looking back at last month, there were a total of 8,901 homes that were sold. That's up almost 1,000 homes from the month prior, and that's what I would expect as we're now moving into the heavy buying season. Average sold prices was $343, almost $344,000 as an average price. Again, this is all across DFW, but that's a great price point and up quite a bit from a year ago. We're also seeing that the market's very strong in terms of the sold to list price. Homes last month sold for an average of 98% of their list price. So many times what you're seeing as the list price is very close to what the home will ultimately sell for. Days on market went down quite a bit as well to an average of 34 days on market. So what that means is that homes are selling in roughly a month after they come on the market. Now that number might be a little bit deceiving as well because that's the overall market, and obviously 9,000 homes is a big real estate market to talk about. As you start to go down different price points, I think you'll see that the market is much stronger and that the days on market is much lower. Related to that though is that we have currently 17,619 listings on the market. Again, a lot of active listings, but when we look at the demand this time of year, that actually represents just shy of 2 months of supply. So we're looking at a very strong seller's market still. For people that are considering about selling their home this year, the factors are very much in your favor for this being a great summer selling season. Now, every month I like to share with you a little bit about some of the communities that people inquire most about with me. And so I just want to give you a quick rundown of those. Carrollton, we saw average prices last month at $334,000. I also wanted to share with you how many homes were sold, just so you have a sense of the size of each of these markets. And in Carrollton, 131 homes were sold. Looking at Dallas, we saw average price point almost $482,000 and 838 homes sold. Obviously, Dallas is a very large housing market. Frisco, another really good sized market, average home price very close to what we saw in Dallas. 312 homes were sold last month. Plano, average price point just over $400,000. We also saw around 300 homes sold. And then looking at the Colony, we saw average prices at $330,000, just shy of $331,000, and 82 homes sold. So we're actually seeing we had some great results as we saw the spring season start to kick off in May, and I'm expecting that when we look back a month from now, we'll see some really strong results in June as well. If you're curious about your neighborhood, what's going on in your local market, feel free to reach out. I'd love to connect with you personally. And of course, if you just want to get a quick estimate online of what maybe your home is worth, feel free to go to our website, hredfw.com/sell, and that'll give you a nice analysis. Again, thanks for tuning in this month. I look forward to connecting with you in person soon.